The best person I got to know to go to was Dr. Amit Sood, who is a surgeon here in Moga, Punjab. And I would like to say that my experience was really amazing. I was discharged from the hospital within a day. And after that, I've been doing really well. And it's been like 10 days from the day of the surgery. Dr. Amit is the best person to go to in Moga, Punjab. Hi, this is Manik. I'm a veterinarian in Calgary, Canada. And I was in India for vacation for a few days, and here I developed an acute abdominal pain. And the best person I got to know to go to was Dr. Amit Sood, who is a surgeon here in Moga, Punjab. And we went to his hospital in emergency and got operated on my lower abdomen, which was diagnosed as bilateral inguinal hernia. And I would like to say that my experience was really amazing with the level of care I received at his hospital. The procedure was done in a few hours, and the post-op care was really amazing. I was discharged from the hospital within a day, and after that I've been doing really well, and it's been like 10 days from the day of the surgery, and I'm ready to fly back. And I believe that if you want to get a procedure like this, Dr. Amit is the best person to go to in Moga, Punjab. And I would recommend all the people who are facing problems related to emergencies like me, or maybe just like elective surgeries, to go to Dr. Amit Sood for the procedures. And the procedure was of course done laparoscopically with minimal scarring. The post-op has been really well. Thank you so much.